Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by auditing what's measurable. Open your account and list keywords with low quality score and high cost. Once done, pause irrelevant low-performance keywords and lower bids on marginal terms to stop wasting budget. Make small, immediate fixes to landing speed and tracking so data becomes reliable. You do this now because clean inputs let you test changes effectively. Make sure to keep a short change log so you can tie improvements to actions and avoid undoing experiments. Now focus on relevance. Restructure ad groups so each one targets a single intent with 5 to 10 related keywords. Then write 3 distinct ad variations that include the keyword in the headline and a compelling CTA, test descriptions, and extensions. Simultaneously optimize the landing page so the headline matches the ad, content directly answers the query, and the CTA is obvious. Once traffic flows, monitor CTR and conversion rate together, because improved relevance raises quality score through both ad and landing experience signals. Finish by scaling what works and refining what doesn't. Promote winning ads, expand matching types cautiously, and use audience signals to bid smarter. You should check quality score plus CTR and conversion rate daily to spot regressions quickly. If your quality score stalls, run a controlled test of new creative or landing layouts and consider removing keywords that consistently underperform. One troubleshooting tip. If CTR is low but relevance seems right, reset ad rotation and test a fresh headline. Low CTR is often the single biggest quality score drag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.